Hey guys, this is Chelsea Girl 970. I'm sorry it's really blurry right now. I cannot fix my webcam. It is being all annoying. But I got a message from Fade is Made 2003, and he gave me a video request to do another hiccup video. I did one that said I kind of want it was I hate pop-ups and hiccups, and he requested that I made another hiccup video because he said it was hilarious. And I looked up on Google how to get hiccups because I can't do a video without hiccups, and I don't know, it's not really working. It says to get water, which I have right here, and put it in your mouth and then suck in air while drinking it. So I've been trying to do it. It's not been working out. It's making my stomach hurt really bad. I don't know why. I feel like I'm going to burp instead of hiccup, but I'm going to keep trying. So here I go. Ow, that hurt. Jeez, it keeps going down my throat, like really hard. Like it all just goes. Okay, my stomach is starting to hurt. I didn't drink a lot of water, but it is starting to hurt. I don't know why. And which I have a question for you guys while I'm gonna try to, get hiccups. I have a question. You guys, what was I gonna ask? I'm gonna burp. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I knew I was gonna burp. Okay. Well, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah. Okay. So you guys know when you just get hiccups normally. I wonder if you can only get hiccups by doing what I'm trying to do, because I don't think I've ever done that before, and that's why I got hiccups. I don't know. Maybe pop would work better with this, just trying to suck it down with just only pop and then breathing. Yeah, I don't think it will work, but well, I don't know. I'm gonna try again. Oh my gosh, I just choked. I just felt like water went out my nose. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna use this blanket. Oh my gosh, it feels like it just almost came up my nose. I'm gonna try one more time, or a few more times. Oh my gosh, it feels like chlorine just went up my nose. That's how it hurts. This is not working! Test 1 fail. Sorry. I'll try to make another video when I got the hiccups. Oh, wait a second. Maybe in a few minutes. I just gotta shake. Shake, shake, shake. Woo, mix it all up. Whoa. It's not working. Okay, not working. I'll try to get back with you guys. So, sorry it failed. But it was a pretty funny video, I can tell you. So, peace out.